Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you a simple website that you can make at least 5,000 naira every single day in Nigeria. So you don't need any capital to make money on this website. So what you need to have is to have a smartphone and a good data connection, and if you have those things you are good to go to make money online in Nigeria with this website that I'm going to show you in this video. So before we continue to the video, my name is Abakar. I make video around make money online. I go out find different ways and different strategies to make money online. And if they work out to me, I come here to this my channel and share it with you guys. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. And the most important thing, turn on the bell notification so in order to get more amazing content like this. And do me a favor by liking this video because YouTube will push it to more people and they will benefit from it. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I share different ideas and different ways to make more money on the internet. And if you have a question, you can ask me in the comment section below. So without more delay of your time, let's dive into the tutorial. So the name of this particular website that we're going to use in this video is SideGig. As you can see at the top of this website, the name of this site is SideGig. So it is for business and it is for workers. For we that we want to make money on this website, we need to register as a worker. So don't forget, I'm going to leave the link of this particular website link in the description below. So what you're going to do, if you just enter, you can just click on this worker section. Yes, so as you can see right here, they said make money in your spare time, become a side gig worker and start applying your skills to the thousands of available tasks in the side gig marketplace. So this is the interface of this website. So what they do, side gig is a crowdsourcing marketplace that make it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their process and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks like survey participation, content creation, and review of social media content, blogging, and many more. Why you choose us? So they said this is the reason that we can choose us on this website: optimize efficiency. So Sidekick is a well suited to take on simple and repetitive tasks in your workflows which need to be handled manually. Using Sidekick to outsource micro tasks ensures quick completion, freeing up your company's time and resources for more strategic initiatives. Increase flexibility. Scaling a workforce can be challenging. Side gig allows businesses and organizations to get work done efficiently and swiftly with access to a global on-demand workforce, eliminating the difficulties associated with dynamically scaling an in-house team. Then save money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you how to register with this website. So because we doesn't have an account, so we're gonna click on this start work right now. Awesome. So this is where you're gonna register with this platform. So let me just enter my details right now, as you can see right here. So let me just put my username here. I'm gonna put my email. So boom, our account was created. So what you're going to do, as you can see, this is the interface of my dashboard, as you can see right here. So what you are going to do is to click on this four dots at the top of this site and see overview. So let me click on this tax center. So click on it. Yes, so this is simple. So as you can see right here, those are the types of tax that you can do in this website to make more money. So this one is to join Telegram channel, and this one is to review and rate 15 naira. So there are a lot of tax that you can do in this website, and they will pay you directly into your bank account. So as you can see, if you just scroll it down to the bottom and you see it the end, so this is where we're gonna click. You see this forward section here, click on it. So this is how this thing work. You're gonna see bunch of tax. So look at this tax here. We have 1078 tax right now in this very website. So what I'm going to do is to click the link in the description of this video, register with this website and start making your money right away. And what you're going to do if you want to withdraw your money is to click on this wallet section, and then so here, so if you want to withdraw what you have accumulated in this website, this is where you're going to click request for payout. So due to some reasons, I will not click on it because there are some issues that will happen if I click on this particular section. So this is where you're gonna click if you want to withdraw what you have accumulated in this website, and they will ask you to put your bank details, and they will send you your money directly into your bank account. Or you can click on this section, click on it, and you see bank account at the bottom here. So you can just click on this and set it automatically. So if you set it automatically, you can just click on this withdraw section here, and they will send you your money directly into your bank account. If you're enjoying this video guys, please give it a thumbs up, give this video a like, because YouTube will push it to many people and they will benefit from it. So it's loading. So it's open. So this is where you're gonna set your bank information. So you can choose whatever bank that you are using, and then you can put your account number here, and then they will send you your money as soon as you accumulate. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video. If you find this video very helpful and very valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your boys channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos. And don't forget, I'm going to leave the link of this particular website in the description of this video, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I share more ideas and different strategies that will help you to make more money on the internet. So thank you for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Peace out.